What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 138. We're down about 3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.00 billion. And the 24-hour volume is 706 million. The 24-hour volume has come down a little bit here, but it is the weekend, guys. Hey, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. It is my favorite app for investing. Incredible benefits, including Crypto Earn, where you can earn awesome interest on staking your coins. So here's Matic on the 4-hour chart. We broke out of our descending triangle. We almost reached the target. I did enter a trade. And when we started to slow down up here, I did exit and take my profits. Now we may create a bit of a double bottom here. I was noticing that with Ethereum as well. So if you do see Matic come down to 130 strong level of support once again, you may create a double bottom. Now, of course, you have to come up and break the neckline. It's quite far away from fulfilling this pattern here. But if that double bottom were to be created, it would be a nice little breakout for Matic. That would bring Matic up here. Wow, right up to the golden ratio at $1.54. So do keep an eye on that pattern. We may see it form here on the 4-hour time frame. So let's look at Matic here on the daily. So we're still having our bearish divergence, which I'm keeping a very close eye on the daily time frame, because of course that shows us that the bulls are losing strength. But sometimes what you see with these divergences is they'll come down and then they'll just break right back up again. You'll break the level of resistance and you'll see the continuation back to the upside. They don't always come all the way back down to oversold. You can see we're between the EMAs on the daily, just consolidating and currently holding the 0.5 as support. I think if we were to lose about $1.23, $1.21, that's when we could see that further sell up. But as of right now, we're still creating higher lows and higher highs. As you can see here, we created a low and we've created a higher low. And as you can see here, we've been creating higher highs, higher high, higher high, higher high, but we are kind of rolling over. So unless we come up and break this high, then we'll remain bullish. But if we start creating lower highs, then we could see that roll over back to the downside. But as of right now, we're still in the uptrend. We're holding the EMAs and we're still remaining bullish here. So here's Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see the double bottom. You can see here we broke out of our diamond pattern. We met our target and we made it all the way up to this trend line of resistance I had dropped in at 3618. Which I had talked about in my previous Matic video, where these wicks came down to as a previous swing high. And I said we could hit some resistance at that level, and that's exactly what happened here. So you can see we may create a double bottom with Ethereum as well. So if you do see us come up and break this neckline, let me drop it in here, which is right up at about 3511. Now, a key level of resistance I would like to see us break here is 3480. I'm just going to take this out because 3480 has acted as a resistance numerous times. Right here, we had resistance in this area, and we had resistance right here as well. And it's also the neckline of this larger double bottom for Ethereum. This is going to get a bit messy here, but we had a double bottom right here and we broke out of as well. So I would like to see us get back above 3480 and we break above this neckline. Then that's a good sign of continuation. I'll give you your target here for ETH. Of course, Polygon and Matic, of course, Ethereum and Matic, they do move closely together here. It would bring you up to about 3667 for ETH and would get you back above the 0.786, which I think would be crucial if we were to see continuation here. Because if we do come up and get rejected by the 0.786 once again, that's when we could see that rollover to the downside. All right, guys, there is another pattern I noticed here on the daily. It's a bit of a rising wedge. So if you do see Ethereum start to come up and gets rejected here and we do fall out, your target is down here at the bottom of the wedge where it formed, which is down at about 3170. But of course, we can break upwards, guys. We are still in a powerful uptrend here. We are having our bearish divergence, but if we were to break to the upside here, we can measure our body, and that would take Ethereum up, and we would break this previous high, which would be absolutely crucial in my opinion. Would bring Ethereum up to 4,086. You can see here on the RSI though, we are continuing to make lower highs on the RSI, and you can see we're still trending upwards for Ethereum. So do keep an eye on that daily bearish divergence. It does signify to us that the bears are losing strength. But the same thing with Matic. Sometimes what will happen is come down about halfway, and then you'll see that continuation back to the upside for ETH. So we'll finish the video here with Matic. So if you do see that double bottom form, could be a great trade opportunity here. And if we do lose this particular level of support at $1.30, do target $1.20, that major level. And just keep an eye on our bearish divergences on the daily. Of course, we can still break to the upside and invalidate it, but it does signify that the bulls are losing strength. But currently we're holding the EMAs and we're still in the uptrend till we start losing key support, $1.24, and down here at about $1. And your continuation price is the 0.786 at $2.07. We have our all-time high up at $2.90 for Matic. That's it for this one, guys. I trade Matic on Bybit. If you'd like to learn how to leverage trade, you can check out my full length tutorial. They also have spot trading available, my favorite platform for trading, and you can receive $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.